This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your system so the process is fast and reliable. You check OS version and GPU support because hardware acceleration reduces CPU load. Next, pick a short MP4 or WebM file, 30 to 60 seconds works well, and keep it under 1 GB for smooth looping. Install the Wallpaper app and grant desktop permissions. Once done, open the app and add the video file to the library so you can start configuring playback options immediately. Now you configure how the wallpaper runs so it stays performant and visually pleasing. You set loop behavior, trim the start point, and adjust playback speed to match the mood. Make sure to enable hardware acceleration and cap frame rate at around 30 FPS to save resources. Decide whether to mute the video or route audio to a secondary output. This prevents interference with primary sound. Once configured, preview on multiple virtual desktops and scale to fit aspect ratio to avoid stretching. Finish by applying the wallpaper to the chosen monitor layout and save a profile for quick switching. You test startup behavior and add the app to your startup programs if you want the wallpaper to load automatically. If something goes wrong, try updating GPU drivers and the wallpaper app first, then reduce the video's resolution or frame rate. This often resolves stuttering or black screens. Finally, make sure desktop compositing or effects aren't conflicting. Disable them temporarily to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.